Hi again, you guys. So today it's a special goodie box. It's a limited edition rituals one. So as you might know, I love rituals. I love everything about them and all of their products. So yeah, I am very excited about this one. So let's see. Alright, so yeah, it's a very pretty color and it's like all the same colors. So that means it's all from the ritual of karma. The first thing I've got here is a body cream. It's with holy lotus and organic white tea. So yeah. It smells so good. All the things of ritual smell good, right? Alright, next we've got an anti-perspirant spray. So yeah, always useful. Smells good. Then we have a sun protection face cream. So this one I already have, but yeah, you can never have enough sun protection. So then we have two 15% cards for rituals, so I am definitely gonna use them. Next we've got a shower foam with holy lotus and organic white tea. Yeah, really, these ones I really love. They're so soft and yeah, it feels so, and they smell so good, so can be better, right? Then we've got a foot scrub. Yeah, with my dry feet, always useful. And last but not least, a self-tanning face cream. Yeah, I might try it. I'm not one to self-tan, but yeah, it's rituals and it's pretty, so yeah, why not? So yeah, we're at the end of the box already. I am very excited to use all of these products. Yeah, I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!